WOLF stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Friday. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Wolfspeed is a buy or not, coming Friday onward. Now look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating this. Like, I've literally documented it all, and ultimately this was sitting at 10 bucks at the time, and you have the proof to back it up. It was more so 10.06 6 months back, before like last year's performance, and since then we've came as like such a lower. I know we went like 51% up, but it does not change the fact that we're still inside a supply zone. I will be the most gassed about, or just excited about, seeing a full candle close above 178, you know. And if that's not the case, then I guess I'm not really gonna, let's take care, right? So with Wolfspeed, I have 38 results. If there is one more shift and a double break here, there's nothing stopping me from just doubling down on the sell side. I'm just saying the confirmation first must be met. So please do your own due diligence, and if you want to learn the intricacies and all that stuff that I cannot show here, absolutely risk-free, tell 100 people I already tried it, click the first link in the description.